even know about catch and release, Dad?
There's been no agreement.
I have to convince them. The fish should be let free after it's caught.
Well, then go explain why.
Whoever can catch it deserves to be remembered. The salmon deserves to live and be free. Catch and release will do both. Take a photo for proof.
Catch and release. I agree.
It has to be everyone. Go down in history as a Ballybraddan legend, not as someone who robbed the town of something beautiful. Can we count on you?
Catch and release! Catch and release! Catch and release!
Catch. Well done. Hey, listen to you.
What do we want to catch a salmon? When do we want it? Not now. Release it.
Oh, you were great. Now, there's one other important thing. I want all children to agree they will not fish without adult supervision. A fish that size could pull you into the water.
I'm not getting wet for no salmon.
I don't even like fishing.
I don't need any grown-up to help me land that giant.